Okay, in today's video I want to share with you something, a little tool that I use, something you can use straight away in your trading. It's a way of beating the market, it's a way of getting on the right side of the market. It's the beginning of September now and we're going through this wild patch of volatility in the markets, and they've obviously had a big drop. Next day they're having a bit of a rally. They're all over the place. It's highly volatile. I don't necessarily know which way the market's going to go from day to day, but what we can do is, what I use is the use of stop orders to enter trades. So I'm going to share a real example with you. It's a trade I made yesterday in dollar yen, and I made similar trades on what's called Black Monday. So it's just to show that you don't have to predict which way the market's going to go in order to make money. It's really quite ingenious, really. So what we're going to do, we're going to head over, have a look at my computer screen. I'm going to show you exactly when I got the signal to enter, what I did, how I entered the orders to get into the trade, and also this strategy, how I got out of them. But not so much the strategy, it's just showing you how to use stop buy and stop sell orders to get on the right side of the market. Okay, we'll go over there now and we'll have a look. All right. So here's the chart of dollar yen. It's a very recent chart from a couple of days ago, and I want to show you the far most right bar of the day, which I've got my cursor on. It's the 31st of August 2015. It happens to be an inside day bar. This is a real trade that I took. So just quickly before we look exactly that, we can see the market has taken a massive down move, pretty volatile, some big moves down, and then over the past 5 days it started to recover a bit and rally. The point is here, it's an inside day. I know that there's likely to be a decent move either way, but I don't know which direction. I don't know whether it's going to go up or it's going to go down. And the point is, using a stop buy and a stop sell orders, I don't need to. So let me show you exactly what happened. So it was an inside day. So what I did is I placed a stop buy order just above the high of this inside day. So if the market was to open and then have a decent rally the next day, it would have triggered me in had the price gone above the high of the inside day. And likewise, if the market had opened and then carried on falling, it would have triggered me into the trade had it fallen below the low of that inside day. So let's have a quick look. We scroll forward and there we can see it had a big drop. So what happened was the market dropped just below the low of the inside day, triggered me into the trade around here, and then for this strategy I closed out here at the closing price of the next day. So that was a really decent chunk of profit. Now the key thing is, I didn't know whether the market was going to go up or it was going to go down, but using a stop order here I could profit from it. And it's a really basic strategy. I've made a video on this before. If you want to use this one, check out my video. It's easy to use, but this video is all about stop orders. If we'd used a limit order, so we could have used a limit order to buy. So if we thought the market was going to carry on going up, but we want to get in at a bit of a better price than the closing price, so we might want to put a price. If the market comes down to here, we want to buy. But what would have happened was the market just fell through it. So we most likely would have entered, never seen any profit, and got stopped out for a loss straight away. And likewise for a sell short, if we wanted to sell short a little bit higher than the current price, we would have missed the trade because it never got to those highs. Okay, so there you have it. You've seen my real trade on dollar yen the other day, and I hope you understand the use of stop orders, how we can use them. I use them all times, but they really come into their own. They really work well when the markets are volatile and we don't know which direction it's going to go. but we want to trade, we want to benefit from that volatility, and it just gets us in on the right side of the trade. So there you go. I'll do other videos on the difference between stop orders and limit orders, but for now that was a quick one on how I use stop orders, how they're working really well at the moment in this market environment. So if you like the video, share it, connect with me on Facebook, I'm on there. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and head over and have a look at my blog, which there's more tips, tricks, see what I'm up to. That's at thetransparenttrader.com, and I'll see you on the next video. All right.